Hello and welcome to Chechi's cooking class. Today we're going to be making ANZAC biscuits. Now let's get started. First things first is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. What you need for these delicious biscuits are flour, sugar, coconut, and oats, butter, golden syrup, baking soda, and boiling water. Now we're going to put flour, sugar, coconut, and oats all in this bowl. Now we mix all the ingredients together. Put the golden syrup on the butter. Now we're going to melt the butter and the golden syrup. Now we're going to dissolve the baking soda in the water. Now we're going to put the baking soda and the water into the butter and golden syrup mixture. Now we're going to put the butter into the dry ingredients. Now my mixture is finished, and now I'm going to get a little piece and roll it and then smush and then put it onto the tray. There's a different technique. So you get the dough and you roll it up, and then you just plop it on here, and then you just squish it with a fork. Now my biscuits are almost ready. Just we need to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Now my biscuits are ready. I hope you like them. Make sure you subscribe and give a like on this video. Make sure to follow my Instagram and my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Come back next Saturday for another recipe. Bye!